So this is Barcelona Cathedral. Ganda, di ba? Kasi di na kami papasok. May entrance ulit eh. Okay na yun. Saka na lang siguro. Because I'm pretty sure babalik kami Barcelona.
Really?
3 hours later.
Nobody's there? Okay, planning our itinerary for the day. Very helpful yung receptionist ba siya? Si Tomas. Ito? First breakfast in Barcelona. Parang Paris lang din eh. Paris pa rin. Cafe. We're in the cafe just beside our hotel.
So this is San Pau in Barcelona. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano siya, pero it's just almost in front of the hotel. I think so. I don't know. Hindi ko alam eh. Wala pa akong na-search about this eh. So, ayan. Ang ganda niya. May pwede pumasok pero may entrance fee. So, di na tayo papasok. Ano na lang. Let's just admire from outside. Okay, take 2. After a quick Google search, hindi pala siya simbahan. Isa pala siyang hospital. Ayan, nakalagay La Sagrada Familia Il Hospital de San Pau. Ganda rin niya. Pasok tayo. Lapit tayo. Ang hospital eh. So, it just reminded me of UST. Kasi diba UST, if you pass by UST and alam mo yun, hindi mo alam, yung main building ng UST, you would think that it's a church. Parang ganito rin to.
Hindi mo alam.
Hindi, pag alam na nila yun. Parang ito rin, pag dumaan ka dito, isipin mo simbahan yung pala, ospital. Diba? Mabas-bas na lang sa Barcelona. Ay, punta.
Saan ba tayo punta?
Ano, naligaw na sa Espanya. Yung Espanya dito, ano, parang hindi bumabaha. Sanay ako sa ano eh, sa Espanya bumabaha. So, next stop natin is Casa Batlló. So, it's one of Gaudi's spots. Gaudi houses, parang ganun, design ni Gaudi. Doon yata yung ano niya residential. So, tayo ngayon ay malapit na tayo sa sentro dahil diretso nito is yung ano na, yung Espanya Plaza o Plaza Espanya. Kita nyo, medyo maraming taong nagkukumpulan doon kasi tatawid sila yun. Kaya maraming tao. Ayan na, oo nga. Oh, may kumakaway, si Rapunzel. Rapunzel, lay down your hair. Ayun no, at the top.
What is this again?
Casa Batlló. Kasi yan, saktong-sakto, tapat niya metro station, oh. Kung ano. Tapos ayun din, oh, yung museum, oh. Kita nyo? Ayun, the museum, the Noodles Museum.
Wait, noodles, no. Tapos ano?
Asa na si Rapunzel? So, di na natin kailangan lumapit. Ito na yan.
Kaya nga.
Kita na natin eh, oh. Kung pang mas close up, oh. Yan ang Casa Batlló. Hindi na tayo pasok. Kano rin eh. Kasabi lang ni Mayan, ganda nitong building. Kasi on the way kami sa Plaza Cataluna. Yeah, naglalakad lang kami. And then, turns out, consulate pala natin. Kaya pala. We made it here in Plaza Catalunya in Barcelona. So, nasa gitna siya. Lance, magbugaw ka para ano, lilipad. Bilas. Immune na sila. Immune na sila. Ayun na dito oh. Tayong bigas dahil isaboy natin dito bukas. Ano, hindi ka natakot? Tingnan natin kung uupuan natin sila.
Tayo dyan, Papa Nuno. May malilim. Sa malilim.
Ay, ang sakit sa puwet. Ang sakit sa puwet, ang init.
Ang sarap ng hangin.
So, dito tayo nag-uulat sa kahabaan ng Pasig de Gracia dito sa Barcelona, Espanya, kung saan nasa ating harapan ang La Pedrera, Casa Mila, isa sa mga dinisenyo ng arkitektong si Gaudi. Yan siya. So, as usual, hindi tayo papasok. Dito tayo sa labas, pagmamasdan lang natin. Picture na ba? Picture na daw. Picture muna kayo muna. Sinong na sunburn? Napametro na kami kasi naligaw kami kanina. Dire-diretso lang kami. Kala mo naman alamin lugar. Dire-diretso. Dito bitingin sa mapa. Sagrada de Familia. So, 1:30 na and we're already here in Sagrada Familia. But since tickets natin to go in is 3:30, yung nabook nating ticket, tambay muna sa park. Construction pa din eh. Construction pa din siya. Pero may mga tapos ng parts. Pero mo 1970 pa to ginagawa. Hanggang hindi pa tapos.
Dapat pinagsama yung gusto ko. Love, may pinagsama yung churros and whipped cream.
Tutulog. Grabe yung caramel niya. Is that caramel?
Yeah. Vanilla and caramel. I love my first churros in Barcelona. They have really a lot of
So our guided tour starts now. Our guide is Jose. Yan ang Sagrada. Yan ang Sagrada. Yan ang pamilya. Boom. Boom, walay. The other facade, dito tayo sa... I'm not sure kung ito yung likod or harap. Baka ito yung harap, tapos likod yung kanina. Oh, ito yung entrance, ito yung harap. Saan yung ating guide? Sundan mo lang. Lance. Sa ako susundan ko lang yung may purple na buhok.
Pag may ibang purple lang natin.
Yes, look up. Yan, mayroon na pong gusto na po niya part-time dito as a guide.
Pope Benedict the 16th, 2010. The consecration of Sagrada Familia.
Para yung harap. Nasa likod kami kanina eh.
Ready, guys? Thank you so much. You ready?
De nada.
Follow me, please, this way.
Ready na ang inyong audio guide.
A magical computer program. The name is AutoCAD. 90s with this, okay? Guys, now we, of course, because if you see, I told you the meaning of Sagrada Familia, Holy Family. In this facade, we have 3 portals, each of them dedicated to members of the Holy Family.
Joseph, for Mary, and for Jesus. Now,
On the opposite side, in front of us, the 3 guys landing in it. Why? On the other side, I show you many people here. It's difficult to show you this. You have to focus on that because, in my opinion, the artist is not the only one who is Japanese in the church. Check the traits.
yeah.
Children are Japanese in the church. from Japan, guys. I'll show you a couple of them.
No! Sí! Sí, hermano!
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
This is Basilica Scenes from 1925. This is the main altar. Okay, but the question, we have masses inside the church. They tell me I love the architecture of the church, but if I have to choose a temple for praying or worshiping, I prefer my village with my family. This is very modern, this is shocking for me. Sometimes having pineapple coming back. I don't remember very well this year. I don't like this because it looks like a spacecraft. They told me as well. Okay? Guys, now it's important, and I love explaining this because Gaudí, I told you so. This is brand new, but Gaudí had in mind always colors, intensity, according to orientation. With this is obvious. It's simple, he was able to achieve the contrast at any time. Guys, remember this well? Something is good.
Yes.
Come arena dos caras.
Ito daw yung shell galing sa mall. Uy, Philippines!
We started bottom. If you see here, we have some people having dinner. You know what I mean? This is the last supper. Okay? Last supper with the intention of going down to the
A few moments later.
Okay. Our hotel in Barcelona. So sad, one night lang kami. Ay. Automatic din ba ito umiilaw? Ay, pala. Yes. Toilet. Small but clean. Even the bed is nice din, big enough. Comfy. PV is cute. Pero ang pinagusto ni Marlon, may Lavazza coffee machine. On. Lavazza coffee machine. Cute.
Arroz negro. Paella. Paella mixta. Mussels. Cerveza. What's this? Bar Restaurante Gaudi. This is just very close to San Pao. Kala ko maliit lang. Laki pala. Mindanao.
Oh, yes. Our real paella. First experience. Ay. Diba?
What's this? Bar Restaurante
Sarap nito. Yummy. At malaki siya. Akala namin maliit lang.
Sige, madam. Tirahin mo. Kumusta? Init, no? Bagong luto eh. Panalo eh. Sarap. Kaya na, Lance. Problema ko, nagbibira ako. By seafood. Kumusta naman yung uric acid ko, di ba? Ay, high blood. Okay lang yan. Ang tawag dito, simot sarap. Not one grain of rice left. Solve. Ay, grabe. Grabe ang sarap. Iba ang sarap.
The next day.
Mama, you will like this.
I will like this.
No, nakita mo ngayon to?
Yeah, with condensed.
It's yung condensed.
And there is the view.
Daan.
Trying the
The hype of Iberian.
ham. this is the chicken croquette. And ano to, love? Banana Oreo milkshake. Now, Lance's order arrived.
Ma, tulog mo.
Ano nga to, love? Barbecue something. Ribs. And ribs. Chicken croquette. Milkshake. Oreo banana.
Ulit-ulit.
Iberian. Diba mas kolada?
Santa Maria del Pi. Cut that.
El arroz de la moda que vuela que pega, gracias.
Ang kulit. Tingnan mo. May maglamang ng 1 euro yung menu outside versus menu inside. Ave Catedral El Calle. Ng Barcelona. Football town. Naligaw ba tayo? Ito na lang tayo sa mga eskinita ng Barcelona. We're trying to go to the cathedral. We're in the right way. Because I see a lot of people. Oh, ito na yung street. Ito na yung Roman This is the Roman towers and Roman walls, and that's the Cathedral of Barcelona.
Which one?
That one.
Oh, I thought that's the Roman tower.
No, this is the Roman towers and walls. Careful, ka.
What do you mean? You didn't say anything.
I was gonna say be careful. I said it the same time you slipped. Is that San Isidro? I think that's San Isidro. There it spells Barcino because Barcino is the name of the old Roman town here, where Barcelona, the name Barcelona also came from. Barcino. Kaya pala sa mga football clubs may Barcino. Ito kasi yung the Roman walls, the defensive walls of the Roman town before. That's it, in the Roman Tower. Just in front of, behind it is Barcelona Cathedral Road. And I think, yeah, this is already part of the cathedral. Kaya nga eh. So, saan tayo muna? Dito muna, then pag na tayo mamaya. Oo. You can, there's a photo booth here.
Ha, tapos na siya. Ito ba yung fasada ko?
Na ano? Uy, ang ganda rin dito. Oh. Biglang nagkaroon ng free photoshoot ng babaitang to. Nasaan na yan natin? Where's our pictures? Yeah, let's show it. Dito lang yan sa ano, what do you call this? Moments. Here in near Barcelona Cathedral. Yeah, we got this. So tayo ay naliligaw pa din sa Barcelona. Ito yung magandang ligaw. O, diba? Oh my God. Ang ganda ng square. Plaza de San Felipe Neri. School.
Alin?
School, this one.
Oh, really?
Escola San Felipe. School. Everything's square. Nakamiss UST.
Ano ka to? Kala ko
Nakakamiss. Parang ganito yung feels ng UST eh. Parang you'll appreciate yung mga Spanish institutions sa Philippines. Kasi ganito rin yung feel.
Intramuros.
Intramuros, yan. But more in UST. Ano dyan ka lang? Yeah, of course. Ay, di pala ito entrance. Parang ano nga. Siya Intramuros. Yung pala next time natin gawin, libo tayo sa Intramuros na may guide. May guide, tas magkakalesa.
Yun lang kulang dito, walang kalesa.
Kales ay may pangangkit na taglay. The Walled City.
Ang ganda.
Thank you.
What about mine? What about mine?
Tell mama to go to the middle. Ano? Cool. Tani kuya. May barya ka pa? Mercato Gothic. Dami rin tao dito. Actually dito oh. Dito lang eh oh. Wag. So dito kami umakyat sa Mirador. So this is like a viewpoint. You enter from the mall, yung Arena Mall. Then you take either the elevators or the escalator going to the 4th floor. And ito yung fourth floor. You have a 360 view of Barcelona. So, for example, from here you can see the church, and then Magic Fountain is just right there. Pero active lang siya sa gabi, 9:30 and 10 o'clock PM. So, unfortunately, hindi tayo nakapunta dyan kagabi. Natulog na tayo. So ito, it's called Plaza de España. May ginagawa din na fountain. Yan, Plaza de España. Kasi yun yung sentro, yung roundabout. Then dire-diretso ka doon. I think that's, I'll have to search what is that, kung yan ba yung Royal Palace. It's most likely the Royal Palace. Let's go. Sangria, tas empanada. Ay, malalaglag yung empanada ko. Empanada. Empanada. Hindi ko nakita. 4. Let's check if you want something. And La Bomba, try mo. Ano siya? Spicy? Parang croquette nga rin. Anghang? Anghang, mainit. Ah. Mamag.
Okay. Last year ng churros sa Barcelona. Pero by the beach naman. Tata, where are we again?
Barceloneta.
Barcelona. Diba? Kasi kasi almost check my phone. So, churros and nachos lang muna tayo. You're tired lang.
The churros and nachos are still better than the one in the market.
Love, are you having fun?
Pero nagustuhan ko din yung ano. Panado ayoko talaga. Saan tayo ngayon?
JBR.
Uwi kami sa JBR. Bahala ka dyan. Lang yung mga must see sa